Hello, my name is Emma Lewis. I am 23 years old, and I live in Bristol, England. Today, I want to tell you a real story from my life. My first day at my new job. Last month, I got a job in a small marketing office. It was my first real job after college, so I was excited, but also a little scared. The night before my first day, I could not sleep well. Thoughts kept coming again and again. What if they don't like me? What if I make a mistake? What if I am not good enough? I woke up at 6 a.m. Even before my alarm. I got ready slowly, checked my bag again and again, and looked at myself in the mirror. I whispered, "Emma, you can do this." Outside, the morning was cold. Small drops of rain touched my face. As I walked to the bus stop. On the bus, I looked at people with tired faces, people going to work, people living their daily life. For the first time, I felt like an adult. When I reached the office, I saw a tall glass door with a small silver sign, Bright Vision Marketing. During lunch, I sat alone because I didn't know anyone. But after a minute, Sophia came to me and said, "Come sit with us." And suddenly, I didn't feel alone anymore. In the afternoon, Mr. Carter gave me my first task. Just a simple email. But my hand still trembled. I typed slowly, checked every word, and finally pressed send. After a few minutes, Mr. Carter came to my desk. He said, "Good job, Emma. Your English is clear. Keep going." Just those few words were enough to make my whole day better. At 5 p.m., I walked out of the office. The rain had stopped, and a soft golden light filled the street. I smiled. My first day was not perfect, but it was a small victory. I learned something important. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. Every person starts like this. Scared, unsure, confused. But small steps make you stronger. Small efforts change your life. If you want to learn English, if you want confidence in your daily life, if you want stories that feel real and help you grow, then this channel is for you. Here, every story teaches you something. Every story gives you hope. Every story makes you better. If you felt even one small moment in your own heart, then don't leave without subscribing. This journey is not my journey alone. It is our journey. Let's learn together. Let's grow together.